For the latest on the arrest of prominent Zimbabwean politician Job Sikhala, we are now joined on the phone by his attorney, Eric Mabuza. And Eric, thank you so much for your time this evening here on SABC News. Maybe let's start off here. Is it true that Job Sikhala has indeed been arrested in South Africa, in the capital?
Yeah, good evening. I can confirm that indeed he's currently in detention over allegations of being in possession of explosives. Obviously, it's an allegation which he denies. He says that it seems that there's foul play because when he went out with his uncle for dinner, he was not carrying any explosives, but somehow those explosives found themselves in his car when he was driving out.
So are these the charges he's facing in South Africa for carrying explosives in South Africa?
Yes, that's correct.
Have you been able to speak to him? What is he saying about this issue?
He was arrested last night, so we made contact with him this morning, and we went to consult with him, and he gave us the version that I'm telling you, that he denies that he was in possession of explosives. Somehow he suspects that there was foul play because he didn't come here to buy explosives. He came here for medical treatment, and he's not involved in any firearms, and he's not in that industry.
And when did he?
You'll also remember that he spent about over 500 days in detention in his home country, and he was released without being charged after that. So he came to South Africa for medical treatment, and something like this happens.
And does he think that this is politically motivated somehow, linked to why he was charged in Zimbabwe?
He does suspect foul play. That's what he says. Just remember, he's a human rights lawyer. He's a peaceful person. So he has no reason to be involved in firearms or explosives. And
when is he expected to appear in court?
He's expected to appear in court on Monday. But fortunately, the police that were involved in the matter were very cooperative. They even went to the mall where his car was parked to check the footage. So I think that process will be completed over the weekend or on Monday. So we'll know on Monday whether they formally charge him or they've found evidence to exonerate him.
And do we know whether he is also receiving some assistance from lawyers from Zimbabwe?
I have no idea about that.
All right. Thank you so much. That is Job Sikhala's attorney, Eric Mabuza. They're just giving us an insight in terms of the charges that he is facing. Of course, saying that we should expect Job Sikhala to appear in court on Monday.